স্যার আমি অসুস্থ, আমার গল ব্লাডার স্টোন আছে, কিডনিতে হাইড্রোনেফ্রাইটিস, দুটো কিডনি ফুলে আছে, অপারেশনের খুব দরকার। লোয়ার কোর্ট অর্ডার দিয়েছিল যে আমাকে বাড়িতে ঢুকিয়ে দেওয়ার জন্য, পুলিশ কোনো রকম ভাবেই আমাকে হেল্প করছে না। 1404 ওটা মান্থলি মায়না ইতে আছে। আমি অনেক
আপনার কোনো উকিল বাবু আছে?
আছেন ম্যাম,
কোথায় তিনি?
তিনি অনেকবার বলেছেন, বলছে যে কোর্ট কিছু না বললে আমি
ডেকে নিয়ে আসুন।
কবে আসবো ম্যাম?
আজকেই আসবেন?
আজকে আসতে বলবো
হ্যাঁ,
বিকেল?
বিকেল বেলা না? কোথায় উনি এখন?
উনি তো এখন উড়িষ্যাতে, আমি
উড়িষ্যাতে?
রিষড়া
এই কোর্টে প্র্যাকটিস করেন না?
করেন, আজ মনে হয় আসেননি, জানি না আমি।
তাহলে উনি যদি কোর্টে না আসেন তাহলে কি করে মামলা হবে? ওনাকে বলুন অনলাইনে আসতে 2টোর সময়।
2টোর সময়?
2টোর সময়
একটু
আপনি
দেখুন
থাকবেন, উনি এখানে অনলাইনে মেনশন করবেন, আমি শুনবো ওনার কি বক্তব্য।
অপারেশনটা খুব
ঠিক আছে? ঠিক আছে। The court allow the mentioning?
No.
Why?
Considering the urgency, court told us to wait some time for something.
The court has accepted all prayers for upgradation on the day. You cannot come according to your choice. If your client is in difficulty, you should approach the court in proper time. You will come according to your choice, and the client is coming and complaining against the advocate.
One can, I can do, I can retire from the
That is, listen, thing is,
I told but he told Malak, I requested my advocate on record immediately, but somehow Malak thinks that he's a very senior member of the bar, Malak. Anyway, Malak.
Junior member or senior member, the requirement of the client is to be met. The client has come to the court because her back has touched the wall. Otherwise, nowadays, nobody approaches court. If this is a situation and she says that she is suffering from some ill health or something, I don't know the water is much.
He's outstated from his residence last 2 years, but now he is center of his relative Even have elder brothers are not.
And even then, you are not taking care of the matter.
7th or 11th June, it was mentioned because your lordship and even I'm not of that.
Now, if the clients come to the court in this manner, then what is going to happen to the profession? Give the number, it will appear as to be mentioned. Day after tomorrow, give notice to the other side.
404, madam. Monthly decided number 400, 1400 140. Yes, number.
লিখে দেন। হ্যাঁ,
then I have to take an instruction. Because there's a one area, there's a partition over there. It has a separate. I don't know, your lordship. I have to sort an instruction. There's any kitchen over there?
In the small room and one big room. I used to cook in the small room and stay over the big room. That is my.
That means 2 rooms.
Yes, my
2 rooms.
client is present.
2 rooms over there. One used by us, 5 respondent number 567, because we didn't have any accommodation, and our only petitioner was residing there. One room was kept in another panel lock, and that room was the pursuant to the court order. He was reinstated.
The kitchen, there is no separate kitchen.
There's no separate kitchen, your lordship.
But then it's a shared household, then the kitchen has to be shared.
Your lordship, the partitions were pending.
Let the partitions
between the brothers. There's no construction over there, your lordship.
No question of construction. Whatever is there.
Let me come back with an instruction, with a solution, your lordship.
Mr. Biswas, just inquire whether she can cook within her room. Is there any provision? What about the washroom? What about the washroom? Washroom?
That is a common washroom.
He's saying, outside, there is a washroom. She can use it.
She can use it.
It has been submitted that the vibration do not have any objection with the petition in the
said room. ঠিক আছে. Accordingly, the petitioner is directed to enter into her room with the keys. With the keys. Stop. If the keys are readily not available, it will be open for the petitioner to break open the padlock and use the room. Stop. The petitioner will also be permitted to use the kitchen and the washroom. Acha, stop. The private respondents are restrained from interfering in any manner by the use of the room by the petitioner and the shared kitchen and washroom by the petitioner. Stop. The inspector in charge, Uttapara Police Station, is directed to render all necessary assistance to the petitioner if she faces any problem at the time of taking possession of her room. Stop. Next. List the matter on